In this video today I'm going to show you what you can do if you're having problems with your power bank. So this is one of these fancy power banks that outputs 5 volts via USB, but we can also have various different voltage via the DC jack here. So if you have a look, it's saying that there's 63% left. So there's a lot of charge in there, but if I plug in the iPad down here, you can see it's not drawing anything whatsoever. Turn it on here and it hasn't livened up, and you can see it is not charging. Now, with this one here, you will think that it looks like it's working okay, because if I was to hold this button down here, you will see that it will let me scroll through the different voltages here. So for example, if I wanted to output 19 volts on the DC jack there, I can leave it there. But look, turn it on here, it's still not livening up the iPad down here. All we need to do is recharge it, and somehow that kind of resets it, and then it will start working again. There is actually 63% of battery in here, but for some reason it's just not outputting via the USB ports. But when we charge it up again, we're only going from 63% upwards, but it will kind of reset it and it will start working again. So watch this now. I'm going to charge it up via the micro USB here. I'm going to plug this in, and you will see now it's started to charge, and you can see it's charging at 7.1 watts. Yeah, 7.7. Right, I'm just going to leave that for about just 1 minute, and then we'll try it on here, and you will see it will then start working, and then obviously we can just charge it up if we want, or just keep using it as it is now. Okay, so it's 1 minute later, and you can see we're still at 63%, so it hasn't charged up much, but that should be enough to reset it to get it to work again. So watch this now. I forgot to mention that it was the same on both USB ports, but I'll show you it working on both of them now. So watch this. Plug it in here. You can now see straight away it's coming up with charging, and we've got 11.3 watts or 10 watts. And now watch this. Unplug it. The charging symbol goes off there. Plug it into the other one, and again it starts working. So it's not that your power bank is flat, it's just somehow gets seized up, and then by charging it again it's like resetting itself to allow you to use it again. So it's a nice easy fix. Don't throw your power bank away, you probably just need to charge it up again. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe for more how-to videos. Take care, bye now.